Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover and today I'm going to be showing you how I painted my BTS Fly to My Room inspired nail art design. I painted my index and ring fingernails black, my middle and pinky fingernails a sheer glittery blue, and my thumbnail white. I also applied base coat underneath all of my designs. I use peel off base coat so that I can safely remove my designs without damaging or ruining them. For the index fingernail, I wanted to combine two of the photos in their Curated for Army photo series, so I took white polish and I just blocked off half of the nail vertically, and then I'm taking black polish to draw these thin lines, and I am going to be drawing a piano pattern. So I'm also going to be thickening some of the keys on top for the sharps. And the element that I decided to combine the piano with was the speakers. For the middle fingernail, I'm taking an off-white polish and I'm drawing a T or a plus or a cross in the middle of my nail just to get the center of the circle, and then I'm just connecting those tangent points to form the circle, and I'm filling in the center so we have a solid circle. And then I'm taking black polish on top to draw the tick marks on our clock. I was inspired by the clock that is hanging on the right wall. So the clock displays the time 6:13, which is very important to us because that's the date of BTS's debut, so I wanted to incorporate that into this design as well. And then I decided to fill in the empty space with these red hearts inspired by the pattern on the rug. For the ring fingernail, I was inspired by the galaxy that you can see outside their window, so I took small pieces of sponge with various colors, and I also used white polish to add the shooting stars. And for the pinky fingernail, I was inspired by the little fish tank that GK drew in, so I used a little splash of purple polish in the center of the nail, and I used a kind of dusty yellow polish to draw the base of the fish, and then I went in with a more orangey shade just to add the little stripes, and I also added a white kind of towards the belly. I also used green polish to add the seaweed underneath and kind of in front of the fish. I also went in with black acrylic paint to outline the fish and to add its facial features. Now for the thumb, I was inspired by a little pencil drawing that is hung up on the left wall. So, it's just little doodles, and it looks like it was done by a little army, which is so cute. So I used a dark gray polish to lay down the base of the stage, of course, and then I used purple polish to add army. So they're just little scribbles, and they don't have to be very neat at all. And then I went in with black polish to draw the little BTS logo that's on the stage. Very iconic, right? So I'm just drawing the frame with black polish, and then I kind of lined the stage as well just to give it a little bit more contrast, and I filled in the BTS logo with purple polish. I pretty much just followed that picture to the T, so I added these little rectangles on the side, and I also added in our 7 members and used neon shades to draw the fireworks. Lastly, I just didn't like how solid the stage looked, so I added some white polish. Now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat, and then you're done. If you're wondering why I'm starting this so many months after the release, it's because I didn't really have time to do it before, and also the essential version just came out. So this is my completed BTS Fly to My Room inspired nail art design. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you are just as excited as I am to start this new journey and this new series. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone!